How you doing? Dave Barodinelli, and today we're here at MarineMax Boston, and I'm going to take you through this all-new 2025 Boston Whaler 405 Conquest. Starting in the back, this boat has the triple V12 600 Verados, of course, joystick control, skyhook, and that incorporates your autopilot. In the back here, you've got a huge transom fold-out seat, of course, very easily stores away, and if you are fishing, acts as a bolster as well too. Swim ladder underneath for your dive door on the port side. You have port and starboard fish boxes, both with macerators. And then center line here is your storage for your table that you can see fits here and here. Also under there is going to be your generator, as well as your gyro, which this boat is equipped with. Coming in here on the starboard side, you've got a great rear mezzanine seating here. Underneath, you do have an electric grill. And then a cool feature, a place here for you to put your feet when you're sitting here so that your feet aren't dangling. This seat also here is kind of neat, folds down, so now you have a prep station here and here. And then obviously on your starboard side, you've got your rear facing seat, again with your footrest, so that you can have mezzanine sitting both port and starboard. Underneath the starboard seat is a refrigeration box, easy access there. Of course, this opens up for when you are loading it to make it much easier. Coming into the boat, this boat does have the optional enclosure, so there is a rear drop curtain that comes here, so this is all temperature controlled inside of your cockpit. There is a sunshade above head, so you can hit this. Sunshade goes all the way out. As you come in on this port side, you'll notice that there's a real nice table here, high gloss teak, and this is a motorized table, so this will go high-low. And that will go all the way down, and when that goes all the way down, you'll see that this cushion here fills in to make a nice berth area there. This seat mechanism is really great. This will flip forward so that you can sit facing forward. This seat here will flip this way, and it will sit so that you can have a big lounge area sitting aft as well. This boat has the optional teak package in it. You can see here some teak accents there, and of course on the Helm seat. This boat is a full enclosure. You do have side opening windows, which is nice, so you can open these, and you'll see we got our privacy curtains on, but this is great for if you want to talk to someone as you're docking or to get airflow in here. This boat has a platinum hull. It has the underside platinum gel coat to match the hull, really a nice accent on the boat. This boat has your optional SIMRAD screen here on the port side, so you've got an enormous SIMRAD screen here, which is great. And a nice little feature as well too is hidden underneath here is another joystick. So if you wanted to dock the boat from the port side, leaning over, you're able to do that. On the helm area, of course, you've got two big SIMRAD MFDs. This boat is equipped with the optional bow thruster, so joystick with bow thruster, so super easy boat to maneuver around the dock. Of course, you've got AC vents here, really nicely finished acrylic dash. Of course, you got your new throttles here and your joystick as well too there. You'll notice a big windshield here, so no blind spots, no middle pillar here, and then you do have two opening vents here, so you can get plenty of airflow in here, or if it's a hot or cold day, of course, you can have your heat or air conditioning on in here. Coming down to the cabin of the 405, immediately on your starboard side, you're going to have an L-shaped settee here, great area, flat screen TV, your Fusion soundbar up top here. Plenty of storage above head. And of course, this table is a high-low table motorized. So you can see this table will go high-low. And that can use as a coffee table or as a filler and to make another berth area here so that you can sleep two more adults here in the salon area. Directly on the port side, you notice we've got our galley. So of course, you've got your refrigeration, single burner stove, and sink. And then you can have a look in the back there and you'll see that's the aft cabin. That is a full real innerspring mattress, full-size berth back there, great for two adults. There is storage underneath that berth as well. And as you come forward, port side, you've got a full head. Of course, you've got your separate shower stall in the 405, whole side window that opens up, and storage above head in there as well. Now there is two entrances to the head. So now on the 405, you've got a real door so that you can actually shut this door here for privacy versus having a curtain. And then you'll notice that there is another door in here so that if you are in the master, you can get to your head without having to go out into the main salon. Inside the master stateroom here, again, another real inner spring mattress, very comfortable, full-size berth. Underneath here, you're going to have plenty of storage. So that's a great area for storage. Starboard side, if you take a quick peek in here, you got a cedar-lined closet. And then also in here, of course, is another flat screen TV with another Fusion soundbar in here. Again, this is the brand new 2025 405 Conquest here in MarineMax Boston. This boat is available. For more information, please call me at 401-569-3874 or visit us at marinemax.com. Thanks again.